Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to write Shopify product descriptions using WriteCream. Click the link in the description below to try WriteCream for free. So, let's get started. Creating compelling product descriptions that effectively sell on Shopify using WriteCream can significantly enhance your store's appeal and conversion rates. Start by identifying your product's unique selling points, focusing on the key features that set it apart and the benefits these features offer to customers. Consider who will benefit most from your product to tailor your message accordingly. Next, go to WriteCream. In the Templates section, look for options specifically designed for product descriptions. Once you've chosen a template, input essential product information such as the product name and product description. After entering this information, click the Generate button to create your product description. Review the generated text to ensure it aligns with your expectations and choose one that meets your requirements. Make sure the description is clear, concise, and aligns with your brand's voice. Highlight key benefits, possibly using bullet points for better readability. Once you're satisfied with the description, upload it to Shopify by navigating to your admin panel. Select the product you want to edit or create a new one, paste the finalized description into the product details section, save your changes, and preview the listing to ensure it looks appealing. That's how you can write Shopify product descriptions using WriteCream. Don't forget to try WriteCream for free using the link provided in the description below.